Oh, it's been such a really fun day so far. So I did the workshop with Francesca this morning, who's the Associate Director of NI, and it was so strange to be in a room with someone who's worked with such a talented cast and made a show that I'm sure is going to be fantastic. All the movement stuff that we did and all the verbatim text, which I really enjoy anyway in theatre. We did this sort of exercise where we had to move someone who was playing Nye across the room and sort of helping them with this movement. And it was just so beautiful, and then to see everyone's interpretations of it, I was in awe.
It was just a great experience. We worked on the last scene. She wanted to see how we would put that together ourselves, and then while watching it this afternoon, it was really interesting seeing the difference of our ideas and their ideas, and it was really inspiring to see.
I thought the session with Babs was really interesting because it's something that I haven't even considered really or thought about. I think it's something that's quite niche, and it was really interesting to learn about how to get into the industry in a different, possibly less traditional way. I think it was really beneficial.
We learned how easy it is to create our own podcast and how you can literally talk about anything for as long a time or as little a time as possible, and it still is quite interesting. I feel like I learned not even just much about myself, but I learned a lot about the people I was working with today, and that was really inspiring.
I thought the Q&A was brilliant. Getting to be that up close and personal with people who were in a show that we're just about to watch, it was fantastic, really. We kind of got to know them and got to see what their process was, and then to see it at work and see it in a show. It's a really unique experience that not many people have. I think the programme is one that changes so many lives. I mean, today it's been lovely getting to know everyone and getting to do workshops and learn things that we might not learn anywhere else. The whole idea of National Youth Theatre Wales is fantastic. I mean, I did it last year, and genuinely the friends that I've made on it will be friends for life, and it's a really unique experience that I hope lots of young creatives in Wales get to experience.